Baby shark doo-doo-doo wade, splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle waggle tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar! Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny. Dino sneezes. Splash! He falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, no.
Dino says, "Oops, I'm just trying to play." Hey! Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes wag. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a Dino too. They both laugh, hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! Woo! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck on a plan. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings help. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. Find Dino is stomping on the ground. Wow. 5 Dino is stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound. One slipped down and hit a stone. Mounds of the jungle echo with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe then said, "No more dinos stomping around the ground." 4 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake and the snake then said, "Stop these dinos from stomping the ground." Wow! 3 dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey and the monkey then said, "These dinos are too wild on the ground." 2 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in muddy goose. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion and the lion then said, "No more stomping on the ground." 1 dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard and the wizard then said, "Fix the ground, fix the ground." They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos and they then said, "Come on, let's stomp again tonight." Listen to other dino jungle songs. Wow! 5 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off monsters